So well, but even Laksina could not handle that.
Yeah. Not that time. Soltones finds the line. As if she calculated that perfectly.
That is vintage Grethcel Soltones for you. Looking
24 all. Set point saved. Arroyo. Ravenna has played well here since she came in the game. It's another pickup. Cal to Soltones. Oh, Grethcel with a blockbuster.
Boy, you know, she waited for the blocker. You know, the blockers were not well established, and she punishes that block.
Sinimplihan lang Cal. Back to Soltones. So, nalusutan. 8-10. Mondoñedo to Arroyo. Tagaod with a save. Cal sets up Soltones. Here we go. Thunderbelle to score in double digits. She's got 10. Talking about a number 5 overall pick. AC Minor. Mondoñedo. Soyud again. Troncoso with a save. Gonzaga from the back. Soyud again. Oh, Soltones had to adjust.
Had to stretch.
And immediately going back for defense. Gonzaga on the off speed. Cal with a dive. Push by Ivy. Kulo to Ortiz. Wala pa rin. Still playable. Long rally.
Long rally.
Soltones. If that could spark their run, that would be good for the Chargers.
Boy, the girls are